Love Island Sophie Gradon flaunts her figure in racy bodysuit after emotional reunion with Tom Powell. The brunette beauty has admitted she has a lot of work to do to re-earn the hunk's trust. Love Island babe Sophie Gradon has put her curves on display with the sexy figure-hugging bodysuit. The reality TV show star, who has had a drama-filled romance Tom Powell since their time in the villa, posed in the mirror in a revealing outfit as she flashed her legs and cleavage in the racy black one-piece. On the reality series, Sophie strayed from their problematic relationship with Katie Salmon moments after Tom left the villa, creating the show's very first all-female couple. Soon after coupling up, Sophie broke down in tears before leaving the villa to be with Tom. When the two were finally reunited, it was emotional. "When I left the villa, the first thing I wanted to do was speak to Tom," said Sophie in Love Island's spin-off Heading Home.